Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our AWS Certified AI Practitioner course. In this lesson, today, we'll dive into a critical aspect of AI systems that every organization must take seriously: governance and compliance. As AI systems become more sophisticated and impactful, governments and industries around the world are introducing regulations to ensure accountability, fairness, privacy, and safety. Let's begin by identifying some of the key regulatory standards you might encounter. One major framework is the International Organization for Standardization ISO, which includes standards like ISO IEC 27001 for information security and ISO IEC 23894 for AI risk management. There's also SOC 2 System and Organization Controls, which focuses on the ethical handling of customer data. And in some regions, you'll need to comply with algorithm accountability laws, which require AI models to be transparent, explainable, and auditable, especially in finance, healthcare, and employment sectors. To help with compliance, AWS provides a rich set of governance tools. AWS config tracks changes to your resources and checks them against desired configurations. Amazon Inspector continuously scans for software vulnerabilities. AWS Audit Manager helps you automatically collect evidence for audits. AWS Artifact gives you on-demand access to compliance reports and certifications. AWS CloudTrail records all API activity for security and audit purposes. AWS Trusted Advisor provides real-time guidance to help meet best practices for security, fault tolerance, and compliance. Next, let's talk about data governance strategies, which form the backbone of compliance. It all starts with the data lifecycle, from creation and storage to use, sharing, and deletion. You must know how data is being handled at every stage. Effective governance also involves logging and monitoring to track usage and detect anomalies, ensuring data residency, keeping data in the right geographic region based on regulations, setting retention policies so that data isn't kept longer than necessary, observability tools to continuously audit the flow and use of data within AI pipelines. But tools alone aren't enough. You also need strong governance protocols and processes. Start by establishing clear policies that define acceptable use, risk thresholds, and ethical boundaries. Review these policies on a regular cadence, monthly or quarterly, and use structured review strategies to ensure they remain relevant as your AI systems evolve. You can also adopt frameworks like the Generative AI Security Scoping Matrix, which helps align your model development and deployment with governance best practices. In summary, effective governance and compliance are essential for building trustworthy, legal, and sustainable AI systems. With AWS services and a well-structured governance strategy, you can stay ahead of regulations while delivering innovation with confidence. Thank you for joining us today, and see you soon.